Welcome students. In this video I'm going to talk about another concept in Python programming. So I'm going to talk about strings. So there are three types of strings. One, when you have a string that is in single quotes. For example, whatever is in between these quotes, single quotes, is called a string. For example, something like this is my program. Second type is when you have double quote. What happens here is that you use double quotes when you want to use a single quote inside the string. For example, this is my parents' home. So this single quote here is what I use when I have double quotes outside. I cannot use single quotes here. I believe it will create an error. And the third type is going to be triple quotes. This is when you want to have double quotes inside. For example, something like a title, something like my name is Armando. Something like that. So that's all I wanted to talk on this video. Thank you very much.